everyone, welcome back to my Taiwan Travel Journal Series. Today, I'll be documenting day 4 of our 2017 trip to Taiwan, where we visited the vibrant Rainbow Village and beautiful Chungshe Flower Market. So grab a cup of coffee or tea and join me as we document this memorable day together. After breakfast at our hotel, we headed to one of the most vibrant and unique places in Taichung, which is Rainbow Village. This colorful art zone was once a military dependence village, but it was transformed into an explosion of color by a man lovingly called Rainbow Grandpa, or Mr. Wang Yongfu. The walls, pathways, and even rooftops are covered in whimsical and bright paintings. Meeting Rainbow Grandpa himself was such a highlight. He's an incredible artist who started painting the village to save it from demolition. I recently learned that he passed away at the age of 101 in January of 2024, leaving behind this legacy of art and joy. Our next stop was the Chungshe Flower Market, which is a dreamy spot for nature lovers. This place is filled with rows of vibrant blooms such as roses, lavender, and even seasonal flowers. It's such a great photo spot. While strolling through the market, we tried the cutest snack, which is a cartoon-shaped chicken cakes. They're as adorable as they are tasty. Now let's journal about our morning at Rainbow Village and Chungshe Flower Market. To reflect the vibrant and lively atmosphere of Rainbow Village on my journal page, I'll be using bright and bold colors. When capturing a place with such cheerful energy, try incorporating washi tape, stickers, and markers in rainbow or bright hues to mirror the lively ambience. In addition to my personal photos, I'll be adding a card featuring an art illustration and a business card, both of which are free ephemera I collected during my visit. So always look for free ephemera such as postcards, brochures, business cards, or tickets during your travels. These items add character and authenticity to your journal while serving as tangible memories of the places you've been. I like pairing my collected ephemera items with washi tape, stickers, stamps, or doodles to create cohesive and creative layouts. To title the page, I'm writing the name of the place, Rainbow Village, using a brass alphabet stencil from the Traveler's Company in a slanted way. Using stencils is a simple yet effective way to create professional-looking titles. Try experimenting with different angles to make your title stand out. After stenciling, I'll shade the letters with the Zig Clean Color brush pen to add a vibrant look and make the title pop against the page. I have added the business card as a tip-in, secured with washi tape, and pasted a journaling card on the right page for additional writing space. So tip-ins are perfect for adding interactive elements like ephemera or hidden journaling. Use decorative washi tapes to attach them neatly. For journaling cards, they're a great way to create structured spaces for your reflections while adding a layer of design to your spread. On the journaling card, I'm adding a clear stamp that says my favorite part of the day. This serves as a fun prompt to reflect on the highlights of the day. Now, I'm writing about some details of our time at Rainbow Village. Here I'm describing how we met Rainbow Grandpa and how memorable it was to see the colorful murals that he painted by hand. I'll never forget meeting Rainbow Grandpa. He was sitting in front of one of his murals, smiling warmly at every visitor who passed by. When I approached him, he gave me a small card with one of his art illustrations as a keepsake. His passion and dedication to spreading joy through his art truly inspired me. So, as a journaling tip, use prompts or stamps like my favorite part of the day to guide your writing. It can help you focus on the most meaningful moments and create a more personal connection with your page. Now for the Chungshe Flower Market, I'd like to focus on a floral theme to reflect the serene and dreamy vibe of the place. I'll be adding this beautiful floral pet tape from the washi tape shop, which features a stunning watercolor floral design with delicate roses in soft pastel hues. Unlike washi tape, pet tape is transparent, water resistant, and wear resistant, making it a versatile and durable option for journaling. One of the best things about pet tapes is how seamlessly they blend into your page, adding a subtle yet elegant design element. They also layer beautifully over photos or text without overwhelming the layout, making them ideal for creating a cohesive and polished spread. So as a tip, match your journal's theme to the mood of the location. Floral stickers, tapes, and soft colors work wonderfully for gardens or nature-themed entries. I'll start by layering my photo on top of the floral tape at a slight angle and attaching it as a tip-in so I'll have space for writing underneath. Next, I'll use the same brass alphabet stencil to add the name of the place, which is Chungshe Flower Market. To bring the spread together, I'll shade the stenciled letters with a midliner highlighter in various colors that complement the hues of the left page. finally, I'm writing a short journal entry to reflect on the peaceful and picturesque atmosphere of the flower market. So here's our final spread. By incorporating vibrant colors, free ephemera, and interactive elements, this journal spread truly captures the essence of our morning at Rainbow Village and Chungshe Flower Market. What about you? How do you like to reflect the mood of a place in your journal spread? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my travel journal playlist for more inspiration, and I'll also link the other parts of this series in the description box below so you can catch up on the journey. See you in my next video. Bye!